I wear a VR before and it was so cool.
And I also like the Robo Dog because you get to control it. It was fun. I like the time here and I hope you can visit soon.
Have an experience of what it's like to be a scientist in computing.
For me, Lab of the Future was a 10 out of 10.
The children have had a fantastic time at Lab of the Future. They've been so engaged in their learning and they've taken back some really great ideas for how we can do our programming for when we get back for next week. So thank you very much to you all and we really appreciate the effort that you put into to make their day really fun. Thank you very much.